8th Samachir Max exercise 1.3 third sum. Verify associative property for addition and multiplication for rational numbers. So, associative property means 3 fractions will be considered. That is, here they have given minus 7 by 9, 5 by 6 and minus 4 by 3. Using these 3 fractions, you are going to prove that associative property for addition is satisfied. So, here you will differentiate the fractions with the help of the bracket. So, minus 7 by 9 plus 5 by 6 plus minus 4 by 3. Write this within the bracket because it is a negative value. So, first, second and third I have put within the bracket. Is here first and second I will put in the bracket. It is plus minus 4 by 3. That is, you are adding 3 fractions on both sides. With the help of the bracket you will differentiate. So, second and third within the bracket, first and second within the bracket. This is your associative property. So, 3 fractions will be written, whereas second and third will be written within the bracket. Here first and second will be written in the bracket. You are considering all the 3 fractions on both sides. So, minus 7 by 9 plus 5 by 6 plus into minus is minus 4 by 3 is equal to minus 7 by 9 plus 5 by 6 plus into minus is minus 4 by 3. Okay. So, now minus 7 by 9 plus 5 by 6. Here LCM is here 6. 3 and 6 means 3, 1, 2. So, 3 2s are 6. So, here into 1 into 1 into 2 into 2. So, 5 minus 8. 4 2s are what? 8 is equal to same way here. 9 and 6 you take LCM. 3 tables. 3 times, 2 times. Now, 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 is your LCM. So, into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. You know 9 2s are 18, same way 6 3s are 18. So, denominator you multiply with the value means numerator also has to be multiplied. So, minus 14 plus 5 3s are 15 minus 4 by 3. So, now minus 7 by 9 plus minus 3 by 6. Subtract and put the sign of the greater number. 5 minus 8 will give you 3 minus 3 is equal to 15 minus 14 is 1 by 18 minus 4 by 3. So, minus 7 by 9 plus into minus is minus 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 18 minus 4 by 3. So, you know here 9 and 6 means LCM is 18. So, 18. So, into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So, minus 7 to minus 14 minus 3 3s are 9 by 18 is equal to here 18 and 3 you take LCM. 3 tables 6 3. 3 times 6 1 sorry. 3 6 are 18. So, 18 is your LCM. So, into 1 into 1 into 6 into 6. 6 3s are 18 no. So, 1 minus 4 6 are 24. So, subtract both are negative, add up and put the negative sign. So, you will get minus 23 by 18 is equal to subtract 1 minus 24 minus 23 by 18. Both sides are equal. Therefore, associative property is satisfied. I will explain once again. In addition, this is addition. We have to do for multiplication also. So, associative property for addition means 3 fractions will be given for you. You have to differentiate with the help of the bracket. I have written the fractions as it is with the sign. Second and third I have put within the bracket. Here first and second within the bracket. So, solve the values which first within the bracket. After that only you will come to the value which is given outside. So, I have taken this 2 within the bracket means those 2 fractions are being considered. With that I will solve and then second I will take together and we will finish it. Next, for addition for associative property for multiplication you have to see because they are given for addition and multiplication. So, minus 7 by 9, 5 by 6, minus 4 by 3, minus 4 by 3. So, this is your fraction. So, now we have to show associative property for multiplication you have to show. Same way, instead of putting plus you will put multiplication sign. With the help of brackets you will differentiate. So, minus 7 by 9 into 5 by 6 into minus 4 by 3 is equal to minus 7 by 9 into 5 by 6 into minus 4 by 3. So, you can follow now. Second and third I have put within the bracket. Here first and second I have put within the bracket. This because of the minus sign I put this bracket. Okay. So minus 7 by 9 into multiply the values which are within the bracket. 5 4s are 20. 6 3s are 18. It is equal to same way. 7 5s are 35. So minus 35 divided by 9 6 are 54 into minus 4 by 3. Minus into minus plus. 7 into 20 140 divided by 18 into 9 72 16 9 means 16 162. It is equal to multiply this minus into minus plus 35 into 4 is 140 divided by 54 into 3 4 3s are 12 15 16 162. Here both sides are equal. Therefore associative property is satisfied for multiplication of rational numbers. Okay.